So I want to talk about Saudi Arabia real quick, where it was just announced that they're going to reduce 1.5 million barrels of production a day, meaning they're not going to produce that many barrels per day. Now, this is about 5% of the total production that they are doing on a yearly basis, to put things into perspective. But the United States was pleading with Saudi Arabia to increase the production, which helps strengthen the US dollar, being the fact that it is called the oil dollar, right? Or the petrodollar, excuse me. And by reducing production, it actually gives more strength to the BRICS nation, and it actually gives strength to Russia. See, by reducing production, it's going to make the cost of the oil go up, which is going to help Russia, and it is going to hurt the United States, where we're already in a high inflation economy, and having things like gas go through the roof is not going to help anything at all, especially for, people like all of our truckers like Dean and Sydney, and people like myself whose businesses rely on petroleum-based products, which most everything does. Food and how everything gets shipped around the country is from truckers, and it's really, a lot of it has to do with things that are based upon oil or gas. So there's going to be a big difference coming in here. Now, the BRICS nation, Brazil, Russia, India, China, South America, they're making a run at the US dollar, and by the Saudi Arabia reducing the amount of oil barrels that they are producing a day, it actually strengthens those nations and helps strengthen and increases their chance at the run on the dollar, the US dollar being a petrodollar. And there is talks of not having the US be the reserve currency for the world anymore, and those guys are taking a real run at it. Now, hopefully we can make some adjustments and changes, but we can't really rely on hope. We can only rely on facts. And that's one of the main reasons why, I got into affiliate marketing here at the onlinebusiness.app, is learning a new skill set and learning something that is recession proof, something that doesn't necessarily rely on the value of oil or things of that nature, is an intelligent move. And that's why I have decided to be a global CEO here at the onlinebusiness.app, and I am going to do my part here to help grow our company and grow our brand and our personal brand as well. So hopefully you guys can understand the financial impact that these kinds of things has and will have over the next year or two here in the United States. And by preparing now, like Nick says, being prepared is really what it's all about. And partially of that prepared is to figure out a new way of generating income for yourself. So I encourage you all to learn more about this stuff. If you want to click that link below, get signed up for a free webinar that happens every Saturday, 10 a.m. Central Standard Time. Come listen and see what's going on here at the onlinebusiness.app, and you can kind of get a little inside knowledge for yourself and get to learn from amazing people like Vince and Asia and Ryan and Nick, and leverage their information and their knowledge by attaining that knowledge. And we'll teach you a lot of stuff, and as we're learning, we're also teaching, right? So we got to learn, apply, teach, and rinse and repeat. So I appreciate your time. Thank you for riding around with me with the truck, and shout out to all my truckers. Yeah, I'll beep the horn for you. I don't even know if you can hear it. It's not nearly as cool as your air horn. Maybe I'll put one on my truck just as a show of respect. So anyways, I hope you guys have a great afternoon. Thank you for hanging out with me. Holla at your boy if you have any other questions. Give me a real one in the comments below. And you guys, stay best, stay bullish. I'll see you soon.